Hello everyone, this is Grade 3, Module 7, Lesson 25 homework. The robot below is made of rectangles. The side lengths of each rectangle are labeled. Find the perimeter of each rectangle and record it in the table on the next page. So I got to use this robot and the dimensions here that are all over the place to find different perimeters for those rectangles and squares. And I got to do this on the next page. So I'm going to go to the next page right now. And on this page, you'll see that I have a little picture of my robot. And I can zoom in and zoom out as I need be. But I see A is done for me. And we have, the reason why we can do 4 times 4 there is because it has 4 sides. So that's not area, that's the perimeter. So if I look at B, I see it's another square with 2 and 2. And I know that there are 4 sides to a square, and they're all the same. So that one's going to be 8 centimeters. If I look at C, I have 6 and I have 8. So I'm going to do 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. And I know I need to have centimeters, and I should bring those up into my equation here. But I'm just running out of room, and I want to make sure you can actually read it. So if I add 8 and 8, I get 16. And 6 and 6 is 12, so I'll end up with 28. And I could have done 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6 if I wanted to. Let's look at D, which is right here. 5 and 2. So I'm going to do this one with multiplication. There's 2 groups of 5, because there's a 5 there and a 5 there. And there's 2 2's. And this time I got my dimensions in. So when I go to multiply this, 2 times 5 is 10 centimeters, plus 2 times 2 is 4 centimeters, so I'm going to get 14 centimeters. Moving down, we want to make sure that we look at E, and E is going to be just off the page, and I'll pull it over. So here it comes, and I see E is the same as D. And I can see that because I have 5 and 2 and 5 and 2. So now I'm going to slide that back, and I can really, I hate saying it, but I can pretty much copy what I did for D, because D and E are the same things. And I'll get 10 centimeters plus 4 centimeters, which again will equal 14 centimeters. So let's kind of continue on down to F and then G. And it looks like F and then G, both of these are going to be 7, 2, 7, 2. So they're the same. So I'll show them a little differently. If I do 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2, I have 9 and 9, so my perimeter is going to equal 18 centimeters, and that was just taking 7, 7, and 2 and 2. And now for G, I'm still going to get my perimeter of 18 centimeters, because F and G are the exact same thing, but this time I want to show it with 2 times 7, because there's 2 7s, 2 sides with 7, and then 2 times 2, because there's 2 sides with 2. So I'll get 14 plus 4, which gets me that 18. So it does work out both ways. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.